This hypnosis recording will help you to stop grinding your teeth at night and help you keep your jaw relaxed throughout your sleep. I'm Océane from Praxia Healing, and I invite you to follow my voice in this short journey into your subconscious mind. We will use your own mind and resources to help you stop yourself from grinding your teeth when you sleep. Bruxism happens when you're unconscious, and hypnosis works directly with your subconscious mind, the one in charge of your unconscious behaviors. Do not listen to this recording while driving or when performing a task that requires your full attention. The best place to listen is lying down on your bed right before you go to sleep. Make sure the temperature is just right for you so you can start to feel relaxed and comfortable. There is no wake-up part at the end of this recording, so you can allow yourself to drift away into a nice, relaxing sleep. Take a moment to adjust your position on the bed so it feels really comfortable. And remember that you can, at any time, adjust, move, or do anything to make yourself more comfortable. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you begin to notice the sensations in your body, the tension going away with each breath out. The weight of your body sinking down in the mattress. A bit more with each breath out. And as you turn your attention inward, more and more with each breath in and each breath out. You may begin to notice some changes in your awareness. Things that you usually don't notice now come to awareness as you breathe slowly and deeply, focusing all of your attention to your breath. Noticing the air flowing through your nose, down into your lungs, and the air flowing out of your body, releasing the tension accumulated. A bit more with each breath out. And maybe you already noticed that your heartbeats follow the rhythm of your breath as it goes deeper and slower, more relaxed with every breath. And you can even say the word relax on each breath out. to help you go deeper, deeper into a calm, relaxed, hypnotic state. Relax. And in a moment, relax. I will ask you to imagine certain things. Relax. And it doesn't matter if you can't imagine. Relax all the things I'm asking you to. Relax. And it doesn't matter either if your mind drifts away. Relax. And if you don't hear all the words I say, as your subconscious mind will listen to my voice, and it will absorb all the positive suggestion I'm about to give you. I'd like you to imagine that you're at the top of a staircase with 10 steps going down to a beautiful beach. And I will count down from 10 to 1. And with each number, you will take one step down the stairs. One step down the stairs with each number. 10. You feel more and more relaxed. 9. Going deeper and deeper. Deeper into a relaxing state. 8. Deeper and deeper relaxed. 7. So relaxed now. 6. Going deeper into a hypnotic state of relaxation. 5. Deeper and deeper with every step down the stairs. 4. Go as deep as you need, deep into relaxation. 3. So much more relaxed. 2. Going deeper and deeper. 1. You can take a moment here to look at the sandy beach, to smell the ocean air, to hear the waves gently crashing on the sand. Before stepping onto the sand, feeling the grains of sand rolling beneath your feet. Maybe the heat from the sun on your skin. Perhaps a light breeze caressing your skin. And as you walk along the seashore, you notice a bit ahead of you that there is a part of the beach that seems to be slightly different. It is a special place, just for you. A special place where healing can take place. A special place that can allow deeper relaxation. A special place that can help you to change deeply rooted reflexes and behaviors. As you arrive at this very special part of the beach, you can take a moment to enjoy your surroundings. The clear skies, the waves, the warm sand, and you sit down, just relaxing even more in this beautiful place. You notice how relaxed you are now. You cannot quite remember if you've ever been so relaxed before. And you notice how your muscles feel loose and relaxed. And I'd like you to briefly clench your fist now. And as you do so, you notice how your jaw muscles instantly relax even more. And you do it again. You clench your fist and instantly your jaw muscles relax even deeper than before. So relaxed. No tension left in your jaw. You realize that at all time you are in control. You can clench your fist and instantly relax your jaw. Almost like a new reflex you didn't know you had. as you let that sink into your mind and body, becoming a new way for you to react. You will remember that you can, at all time, instantly relax your jaw muscles. From this moment on, each time your jaw muscles will feel tense, you will clench your fist briefly, and all the tension will disappear from your jaw, leaving your jaw muscles loose and relaxed. You feel much more in control of your body and emotions. You know you have the power to relax yourself and your body, always in your hands. And from this moment on, even when you sleep, you will have this new reflex to briefly clench your fist, and it will instantly relax your jaw muscles. Day after day, night after night, you will relax your jaw muscles more and more. So relaxed that your jaw remains loose and relaxed day and night, asleep and awake. And you can repeat out loud or in your mind, I can relax my jaw muscles. 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 When I briefly clench my fist, my jaw instantly relaxes. When I briefly clench my fist, my jaw instantly relaxes. When I briefly clench my fist, my jaw instantly relaxes. When I briefly clench my fist, my jaw instantly relaxes. When I briefly clench my fist, my jaw instantly relaxes. I am in control. 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 I can feel relaxed throughout the day and throughout the night. I can feel relaxed throughout the day and throughout the night. I can feel relaxed throughout the day and throughout the night. I can feel relaxed throughout the day and throughout the night. I can feel relaxed throughout the day and throughout the night. I allow myself to have a good night of relaxing sleep. I allow myself to have a good night of relaxing sleep. I allow myself to have a good night of relaxing sleep. I allow myself to have a good night of relaxing sleep. I allow myself to have a good night of relaxing sleep. And now you can let your mind drift away with the sounds of the waves, and you can safely fall asleep and stay asleep all throughout the night. A deep, relaxing sleep. Deep, deep sleep. So relaxed.